it's me coming to you from quarantine. We still at it. We still here. I mean, honestly, not much has changed because before all of this mess, the only time I really used to like leave my house was to go get food. Except I still do, but we just go to the grocery store now. Like that's like my once a week trip. The rest of the time I've been doing nothing but cooking. So yeah, I feel like most of my time cooking, making videos, watching anime, playing some video games. I just started playing Final Fantasy VII. It's very nice. I know everybody's been bored. Food is like the only thing I look forward to these days. So today's video, y'all are gonna know how much I've been spending on groceries. So I partnered with Clio. If you don't know what Clio is, it's an app that helps you save money and manage your spending. I'm gonna ask her, how much have I spent on groceries? Whoa! That's a lot of groceries. Oh my god, March is the worst. So before all this, January, February, I was spending like $1,600, $1,500 on groceries. And I spent $2,500 on groceries last month. That's what I get for shopping at Whole Foods. You know what? That counts food for a large boy and 3 dogs. These dogs, they're expensive. Only the best. Okay, that's a lot. That's too much. Probably the thing that I miss the most is boba. I haven't had boba in what feels like forever. I think it's been probably 2 months since I went to a tea place and got me a nice little drink. So I went to the Asian market. I got me some Tapioca Pearls. We're gonna make this from scratch. We got some boba. I was gonna Postmates some boba milk tea, but there is none in the vicinity. No one's delivering. I can't even go pick it up. So do I really want to drive 30 minutes to go get some? No, I probably have to drive further than that. How much have I spent on Postmates is the real question. It's 2018. I've spent less than $3,000. See, that's why my groceries are so high. I do not order that much food. We're staying home. I'm gonna make my drink, the drink that I love to get. I'm gonna make a matcha cheese tea. Okay, we're gonna make a milk tea, but that's too basic. I mean, we can make it because I'm making some boba for the very first time. So I got some Tapioca Pearls. And basically we're gonna take this pot of water, heat it up. Also, they're white. They're supposed to be black. Just gonna wait for that bad boy to boil and then pop in our balls. We're not gonna put that much in just because you need like 7 parts water. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot of bobas. And I guess we're gonna let that boil for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna make me my matcha. Welcome to my bar. We're gonna be making some matcha. So I'm gonna heat up some water. Bro, I just bought this basil like 2 days ago. Dead. Withered. Roses dying. We ain't getting enough sun around these parts. Look at these thriving. Woo! When you dead inside, oh man, I can't even keep succulents alive.
Oh, Lumpy. Lumpy. You were the fattest dog in the world, Lumpy.
Let's play Spender. We're gonna thumbs up if it's worth it, thumbs down if it wasn't. Albertsons. Okay. See, grocery prices, they went up. Can't do nothing about it. Amazon. Can't do nothing about it. Hey, Ash. Walmart. No, because I went in for something and they didn't have what I wanted. This is the good stuff. That good matcha. First, we're gonna take this. I kind of just, oh, that's a lot. That's too much. Go faster. Boom. This is supposed to be aesthetic. Pour our water. And then whisk. Back and forth, to and fro. Boom, 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 boom. So now, I'm gonna take some ice, cool it down, so it stopped the cooking process. So we have our matcha done here. But wait, we saved that for later. This is my favorite part. We're gonna make the cheese. If you guys know me, you know that I love cheese tea. I live on this stuff. And I know it kind of sounds disgusting to a lot of people who don't know what it is. Basically, a lot of boba and tea places have tea, and then you put like this cream on top, but it tastes like a cheesecake. So it's like, it's cheese tea. It's not cheesy as in like quesadilla cheese. It's like cheesecake cheese. So it's very delicious. It's sweet and it just goes perfectly with tea. Honestly, I'm kind of just doing this. No recipe, no nothing. I'm just messing around. I can't like follow recipes. I'm really bad at it because I'm like, I don't want to do this, or I can't pay attention to the thing of recipes, or I just do it as I go along. Okay, so we're gonna take cream cheese. We're gonna pop that bad boy in the microwave for like 30 seconds, maybe less. Let's do 20. And we got our boba. It's still bubbling. This is gonna have to bubble for 15 whole minutes. So I've never tried this with whipped cheese, but I think whipped cheese is gonna work better. It's already whipped. So you can use sugar. I'm gonna use a sweetener packet, 1 sweetener packet, because I eat a lot of sugar, so I try to like have some sugar, half sweetener, and half, I don't know. Okay, anyways, you can use whatever jam you want. You can use syrup or jam. I'm gonna be using rose jam. This smells so amazing. This is basically like rose petals, and I'm gonna take a scoop of that, pop that bad boy in. Go in. Rose and cheese, just delicious together. I don't have heavy whipping cream for some odd reason. I thought I did, but the one I did expired. So we're gonna be using half and half. but obviously heavy whipping cream is probably better. I like my cheese a little salty, so we're gonna do a little bit of sea salt, just a bit. Yes. You can whisk this by hand, and we're gonna use the good old mixer. This life-changing. Pop these bad boys on, and then we're just gonna mix the cheese, rose, and sugar together. So you don't have to put any flavor in this if you just want like a regular cheesecake flavor. We're gonna whip that up real good. I mean, I could probably pop this on and it would be fine. Now we're gonna pour our half and half. Boom, 2-3 squirts of that. A little more. I don't know, I'm just eyeballing it. Whatever I think looks right. And then we're gonna mix it up some more. On high. Cheese go fast. And I want it to be a little thick. You don't want it to be watery, but you don't want it to be super thick. And I feel like that's what I've struggled with. Obviously, if you need it to be thicker, you do more cream cheese. If you need it to be lighter, put more half and half. Okay, you know what? I think this consistency is pretty good. We're gonna do the taste test. That's good. Delicious. I can't wait to have this on top of my tea. So, cause it's a little warm, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a little bit while we wait for the boba to finish. So while we wait for the boba to finish cooking, I'm gonna go on Cleo, and you should be here for this too. So the roast me mode, she's gonna roast your spending habits. Hit me. We need to talk about what? She keep bringing up Hamra and Moon Valley and PayPal. PayPal, I was paying people.
To do what?
I pay my editor, I pay my mom, that's it. Do another, those don't count, those don't count. Those are necessary expenses. Your bank charged you $60 for being poor, but less than that last month. Wait, what? The bank charges us? Wow, $60. So it's just really easy to just keep track of things you bought, and you can see where you need to cut down. All right, it's been about 10 minutes for these bad boys. We're gonna check up on them. They look the same. I'm gonna try one. Oh, it's like softer now. So these were really hard balls before. Now they're getting a little soft. Ugh. It's like pasta when it's not al dente yet. All right, I'm gonna give it a little more, and then we're gonna put some brown sugar on this bad boy. This is supposed to give it the color. You wanna see how hard this is? This is brown sugar. Boom. How sugar do that? It's like a brick. I could severely damage you with this.
Please don't.
Boom. Boom. Okay, your time has come. We're gonna take our handy dandy steeper. So they kind of look the same. They got a little bigger, I think. That's what she said. Please ignore my sink. We hate doing dishes. Balls go. Oh, you know what? These look nice. Boom. Look at that. That's some good stuff up there. It says to do this for 15 minutes. I ain't got time to do this for 15 minutes. Don't make no sense. Oh, they're soft now. Wait. Okay, they're starting to taste like boba. They taste gummy. They just have like no flavor whatsoever. You know, before this I had no idea it was the sugar that gave it the color. Or some people be putting food coloring to give them the color. You know, this is a whole entire process. I'm not sure if I'm doing this next step right. Boom, get back in the pan. Now we're gonna put the sugar on it. First I must wash my child. Back in the pan you go. Brown sugar. This don't wanna come out. Ew, you can see how dirty my stove is. You cook a lot, okay? Man, that's all I can manage. We're gonna do regular sugar. Hey, I think we're gonna put it on low heat. Are these gonna turn brown or no? Honestly, this is probably the best I can manage. It doesn't taste horrible, but it just looks very weird. You know what? This is it. I have spent over 30 minutes trying to make this dang boba. It came out okay. It's not horrible. I feel like the rest of my drink is gonna be really good though. So I put the boba in, put our ice, matcha, boom. That's the good stuff. I'll put some water to water it down. All right, and then the cheese, the best part. Oh no, I did not make enough. Supposed to sit aesthetically on the top. Okay, you know what, that's fine. That is just fine. Boom, there it is. You know what, it doesn't look half bad. It actually looks pretty good. Pop that straw in. Yes. Now the good old taste test. So I got the cheese and the matcha delicious together. Tastes like I actually got it from a tea place. The boba doesn't taste bad. Maybe I really did have to run it under the water for like 15 minutes, but I did not have time for that. I'm like, I want my drink. I want it now. But it's not bad. I'm not complaining. This is actually delicious. Cheese, so good. So if you guys haven't tried cheese tea, you guys definitely should. Excellent.
After making that homemade boba, I want some hype. We're gonna ask for some good vibes. Good vibes, I say. Someone misses you. Oh, my mom. You are a tall glass of water.
Clio also has this new feature called Spender. Spender is a new game on Clio. It shows your latest spends and you can rate them as worthwhile, regrettable, or unavoidable. So all you gotta tell her is Spender. Let's rate my week. Whole Foods, $29. Nah, I needed that. That's a thumbs up there. PayPal, $5? Bro, what did I even spend? Oh, that's my Pixiv membership. I don't know why they're even charging me for that. It's a free site. Spotify, unavoidable. Remember the good old days when we just LimeWire music? My money health rating is 80%. You know, we won't play this again. You know, I actually haven't been making big purchases. Postmates. You know, that was unavoidable. That wasn't for me. That was for the boy. PayPal, $59.99. Why did I even buy for $59.99? Okay, that's a big purchase. It is a gift. Unavoidable. Take that. So all Clio users can use Spender. It's a super easy way to figure out how you feel about where your money goes. Looking at your spending is a good first step to building better habits. All right, give me some good vibes. Good vibes. Your eyelashes are thick. Hey, how did you know? Oh, she's just making me feel good. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to download Clio. It's free. So make sure you download it, check it out. And if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button in the face. And make sure you turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Click, click, and subscribe to join the wolf pack. Oh, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.